What's up guys, welcome to another video. Here we have another iPhone. As you can see, it's in perfect working condition. Everything works here. And we have this 18-volt drill. Also, we have this weird phone we found online that's supposed to be like a tough, durable phone you can take on a hiking trip or something. Okay, let's start our test. Let's do this. Whoa guys, it doesn't look so good. But you can still see the light, so I guess it's kind of working. Let's do it again. Okay guys, that was fun. There was a little bit of smoke, but I think we should drill it again. This time right through the battery. I think we've successfully killed this one. So I guess it's time for an iPhone. Okay guys, so the screen on this iPhone is actually pretty tough. The drill only made a small hole, as you can see. Everything's working. It's actually more tough than a heavy duty phone we've tested before. But we're not gonna give up. Look at this guys, I'm actually really surprised how tough this phone is. It only cracked after a minute of drilling. Everything is working here, so let's continue. Whoa guys, look at this. Now that's a lot of damage. Otherwise, phone seems to be working pretty well, except for this part here, of course. Alright guys, Thanks for watching, subscribe and leave your ideas in the comments below.